This is the TCMS254, a heavy-duty compound mitre saw packed full of features. Let me tell you about it. First off, the TCMS254 has a smooth sliding cutting head mounted on dual bars that don't extend back. This allows for a smaller footprint in the workshop, enabling closer setup to the wall while not having to compromise on cutting capacity. Being a compound mitre saw means that it can perform both bevel and mitre cuts, with preset mitre positions to quickly and easily set up your cut, or simply switch the D10 override button and with the micro adjuster position the saw to whatever angle you need. The TCMS254 is double bevel, able to accurately cut 45 degrees both left and right. Trench cuts are simple to do on the TCMS254. Turn the cutting depth adjustment knob and then flip out the depth stop plate. The saw comes with a high-performance 254mm 60-tooth TCT or tungsten carbide tip blade for clean and precise cuts on composite wood material and both hard and softwood, as well as plastics. For increased accuracy, the saw has a built-in adjustable laser guide so you can see where you're cutting before you even spin the blade, and can be set to either side of the blade depending on preference. The TCMS254 has a sliding adjustable upper fence, sitting above the regular fence to support larger workpieces. Also included in the box is an easy to adjust workpiece clamp for extra safety. And the blade changing storage is located behind the right fence. For longer workpieces, the adjustable side supports can be extended and include stops to help stabilize when making repeatable cuts. With 8 mounting holes, the saw can be securely locked in place and additional removable support rods can be fitted to the back of the saw, should you need them. Featuring a powerful 1800 watt motor, the TCMS254 is capable of cutting clean and precise mitres, bevels, compound, trench and cross cuts through natural and composite wood plus plastics. A large trigger makes the saw very easy and comfortable to control, with a clear polycarbonate guard for protection and a safer working environment. For dust extraction, the saw can be hooked up via the 64mm port, but also comes with a handy dust bag in the box. Conveniently, the TCMS254 can be compactly stored using push pins to lock the blade in place, and with cable brackets at the rear of the saw to wrap the cable around to get it out the way. A built-in handle for carrying on top of the saw makes it portable and versatile for transport and use out of the workshop. The TCMS254 has a powerful 1800 watt motor, a max cross-cutting capacity of 318 by 64mm, comes with a 254mm 60-tooth TCT blade, 45-degree bevel angle and a 50-degree mitre, with 8 detents for specific angles, including one for crown moulding, and a no-load speed of 3200 revolutions per minute. All that makes the TCMS254 a heavy-duty compound mitre saw, with a lot of features and capability, making easy work of any compound mitre you may want. And with a compact footprint and the ability to conveniently pack it down, the TCMS254 is suited to even the smallest of workshops.